I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you ready for warmer weather? If so, then you need to get some cropped leggings like these. These are from UIUO-UIPEU, and these leggings are not only a super cute print, but they're awesome and they're really made for moving. The cropped legging on these fits right until the shin. I am 5'4", and you can see that they fit in a nice cropped length. I really appreciate that they're nice and tapered down at the bottom so they stay in place. And I especially like the waistband on these. So it's nice and snug, and it has an extra wide elastic at the waistband so that while you're moving in these pants, they stay put. They also included a really awesome, generous pocket in the back, and that zipper on that pocket is so adorable. You can guarantee that you can hold something in and you'll be able to move and still have your contents inside. They're nice and stretchy and comfortable, but also feel that they're very stay in place while you're moving. I really love the print on these as well. It's super, super cute. They have lots of fun prints that it was really hard to decide which one to go with. But this one has beautiful birds, and it just screams warmer weather that I am so ready for. If you're looking for a nice durable legging that really feels like high-end quality and that will really be durable while you're moving and grooving, then you need to check these out. But that's my point of view.